in hell! This is Sparta!
Concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Got together to do this music, the more we became enveloped, we just developed a fellowship doing it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, me nemesis, assume nemesis ain't for him, it's just me. You see the image, just images, the shit is no gimmick. Blood in and blood out, when it's beef, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves in a one big brawl, and we all get involved in it, we should all get a merit. There's much beef we inherit, and wear it like a badge of honor, pass it around and share it, and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders, and the soldiers got the backs of the total. But tonight, we ain't coming here to beef with nobody, we came to party. Legs cashes and Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady at the mishap, back in that ass, you was asking me song, what kind of what's up inquisition is this?
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hypnotic, couldn't see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling nice, I get your eyes okay. Party poppin', shawty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't so delaney, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade, nigga, you first you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm stunting, I felt the stones to be button. Push the grips in me rolling, you can tell that I'm holding. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units the game. I got my grind, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass and pay the lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some game.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like the design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it?